Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So if you feel that, for example, one of the apps which you're frequently using is working a little bit slower, then you can try to clear cache. So let's enter the settings. Right here we have to go to App Management and tap on App List. Then let's find the app which is misbehaving, so let me pick maybe Facebook. So just tap on the app and then open Storage and Cache. And here, unfortunately, I do not have cache here, so let me find something else. So maybe Photos. Just tap on it, tap on Storage and Cache again. And here, as you can see, we've got a lot of cache saved. So all of those junk files which your device is normally saving, but it's of course totally normal. However, the cache could slow down your app. So all you have to do is to tap on Clear Cache here, and as you can see, your device will immediately remove it. So the app should work a little bit faster. Avoid using Clear Storage because it will simply remove all data. So remember about that. So that's the thing which you can do. Obviously, you can also use Phone Manager, which will help you to optimize your device and to remove junk files. Simply find this app, Phone Master. It is pre-installed on your device, so no worries, for sure you've got it. So just tap on it, and here, let me go back. Oh no, basically, normally you will have this optimize option here. So you can simply tap on it, your device will scan itself and automatically remove the data. Simply tap on optimize the data which is not necessary, and thanks to it, of course, it will release some memory, free up space, so it means that it will work a little bit faster. Of course, if you want, you can go through junk files, App Cleaner, for example, or Data Manager to remove the unnecessary data, basically. Just tap on it and then tap on Clean. And the last thing which you can do after all of those operations, I highly recommend to simply reset your device, because resetting will, let's say, save all of the changes. So to do it quickly, simply press the power button and keep it pressing. And basically tap on Restart, and then your device will be restarted and all of those changes will be saved. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.